Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name's Gina, this is Miss Cali Cat, and Miss Bonnie Faye may pay us a visit today. She's over there snooping around looking for treats. Y'all, at night we hide treats around so that, you know, cats are nocturnal a lot, so that they can snoop around and find some treats. So she's still snooping around today. I don't think they ate them all last night. Daniel put them out, so there may have been a few more put out than usual. But y'all, today I'm going to tell you about this Morphe haul that I did. I actually have already opened it and been using out of it because I got it right before I went out of town and I wanted to take this particular palette with me. So yeah, but I'm still going to show you everything I got. This here is one of the main reasons that I wanted to get it. This is the Jaclynhill palette from Morphe. I hear a lot about it. I see a lot of people using it. So I thought I've just got to have it. You know how that is. So this palette, I paid $39 for it. And I've really enjoyed it so far. I'm actually wearing it today. Can you see my eyes? This palette is dedicated to all my loving subscribers, XO Jaclynhill. So here is her palette. Look how pretty it is. You've got so many neutrals in here. It's what I love about it. So many browns, so many great colors. And then you've also got the purples and the greens and the reds. So I used this line today all the way to here. And then I popped a little of that right in the middle and right in my inner corners. So look how beautiful the colors are, y'all. I mean, there's shimmers, there's mattes, and let me see, let me just do this. I can't see what I'm doing. Did I get it? Did I get it on there? Yes. Look at the beautiful colors. So pretty. Look at these purples, y'all. Oh my goodness, you know how we love the purples. Look at those, y'all. Oh, all right. So that palette, absolutely adore it. If I have more time today, I'd swatch them all. And I may do a swatch eventually of all of them. If you want to see every single color swatched, just comment below. Say, hey, I want to see what they look like. Tell me if you want to see them with my fingers or with brushes, because you know it looks different when you swatch with a brush than it does with your fingers. So just comment below and tell me. And I'm going to move on to the other main reason that I ordered this from Morphe. I have been hearing about the plouise base like crazy. So I wanted to try it. I actually wanted to get like the eyelash primer, the eyeshadow primer, and I ended up getting the base. I don't really know what the difference is, but I think there is a difference. This is the shade RUMOUR 1. I paid $15 for it. Let me see what it says. This luxe creamy eyeshadow base creates the perfect blank canvas for making shades pop. The thick, full coverage formula doesn't crack, so it's ideal for canceling out imperfections and carving out brows. So yeah, I can use it as an eyeshadow base. And there are several different colors, actually 11 different colors. But this one, when I use it, I didn't use it today, but it really does. It gives you that brightness up here. It's really cool, really cute. I mean, I really like this stuff. I have heard some people say there is a dupe on Amazon. I'm thinking about ordering it and seeing how it does, but I wanted to try this one first. And y'all, it doesn't take much. All right, watch this. Look how thick that is. And it is a lighter color. I don't know if it was the proper color for me, but I do like that it's lighter and it does brighten up your eyes. Very cool. Really like this stuff. So if you want to see the dupe, let me know. I'll put one on one eye, one on the other, all that good stuff. Little comment section. Just fill it up, y'all. Just fill it up. So the other thing that I got, let me go back. You know me, I'm not gonna get out of a store without looking at the lipsticks. And And today I came out with these. And, all right, I'm going to start with this one because it's not my favorite. Y'all, I just tried this one on. This is Morphe Sun Kissed. I think it's just way too light for me. I feel like it washes me out. It's just, I don't know. I tried putting on a gloss on top of it. You know, I tried different things. I don't know that I can wear it. Just keep an eye out for that video. I will pop it up eventually just in a little short, you know, one of those lipstick try-ons. But it is nice. It does glide on very nice. I just think I want to try it in a different color. And I actually paid $3 for this one. It's a peachy pink. It says colored pencil, Sun Kissed, peachy pink. $3. But $3 for a Morphe lip liner, I thought that was a pretty good deal. Next is this madisonbeer, Morphe madisonbeer. This is a lip gloss. And look at the packaging. Look how cute that is. Oh, love the packaging. And this is Venus. So let's see what Venus is. Oh, look at that. Just a little wash of a brownie pink kind of color. Madisonbeer lip gloss Venus. I paid $7. There's 5 different shades. It says Venus is a rosewood shade. Interesting. And the last thing, y'all. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I put this on today for the first time and I was just like, ooh, it's purpley. It has that, you know, kind of color flip to it. Purple, bronze, so cute. This is the Happy Glaze lip gloss in Hi Friend. I paid $7 for it. There are also 5 different colors you could get in this. It says Hi Friend is a berry rose shimmer. Look at this, y'all. I mean, I've already got some on, but I mean, have you ever put something on and it just wants you just want to do the duck face because it feels so nice? That's this. Oh my goodness. This is Morphe 2, it says. But man, I mean, it's a lip gloss. The hair is going to get stuck in it, stuff like that. It smells great on my lips. I really, really like this, and I kind of want to try it in every color. What do y'all think? So that is my Morphe haul. I was pleasantly surprised, and y'all, I'm probably going to do another Morphe haul soon. If there's a particular something that you want to see, just comment below, let me know. I'm thinking about getting that continuous setting spray. I had a sample of it. It is already gone. I think I might get it again. So y'all, thank you so very much for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed spending this time. I hope you enjoyed seeing Miss Calicat and Miss Bonnie Faye. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.